Alright everyone, thanks for coming back to the last video for this candlestick pattern series, and we're going over triple candlestick patterns. Perfect, so let's just get into it real quick. These are triple candlestick patterns, and we got evening stars and morning stars. So the first candlestick is either bullish or bearish candle, which is part of the recent trend. So if it's a bullish trend, it's going to be a bullish candle. If it's a bearish trend, it's going to be a bearish candle. The second body, or the second candle, has a small body, indicating that there could become some indecision in the market or a struggle between buyers and sellers. This candle can either be bullish or bearish, and the middle candle is one that doesn't necessarily matter as far as color. And the third candlestick acts as a confirmation that the reversal is in place, and the candle closes beyond the midpoint of the first candle. So you can see here in the diagram, we have the evening star. There's a bullish trend occurring. Then we have that bullish candle, Maribuzo candle, and then we have a doji candle follows it. Remember that doji candle can be either green or red, it doesn't matter. And then we have the confirmation candle that closes beyond the midpoint of that first candle. Similarly, we have the morning star, which is a continuation of that downward trend. And then we have the doji candle, which could be both green or red, doesn't matter. And then we have that bullish candle, which closes once again above that midpoint to confirm. These are fairly accurate, about 75% to 68% accuracy. Once again, very easy for you to find when doing chart analysis as well. The next one is crows and soldiers. So before we were able to do color, the charts were typically black or white, hence the name 3 black crows or 3 white soldiers. Bearish candles were typically black, bullish candles were typically white. But 3 black crows is essentially formed after 3 bearish candles follow a strong uptrend, indicating a reversal is in the works. So if we look here at the diagram, we see that there was a bullish trend that was occurring, and then it's met by 3 very bearish candles to suggest that the reversal is in its works already. Similarly, we have a downward trend that happened, followed by 3 bullish candles, signifying that there was a potentially strong reversal already happening. And that's it for the candles. We're going to be going over structure in the next video. It's going to be support lines, resistant lines, and then also trend lines as well. I'm going to put the cheat sheet in the Medium post so you can once again have all these candlestick patterns and see them at a glance. Talk to you guys in the next video.